We are in an automotive engineering workshop. What kind of parts of the engine are you able to identify in the video? Which kind of parts of the engine are you able to identify in this video? Make sure you like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And thank you so much, guys. Here is Kenya, Kisii National Polytechnic, automotive engineering workshop. Shock absorber. This is a shock absorber. In this automotive workshop, this is an engine. You can identify it well. One is a gearbox, shaft. Everything is here. These engineers are working. Have another engine there. These are work engines. Electrical system. The door system. This one is the piston. We are still in the workshop. This is a vehicle in the workshop. We have so many engine parts, spare parts, every kind of part of a vehicle here in this workshop.